Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this gingerbread man that I got at Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99 with 50% off. It ended up only being $1.99. I'm going to start off by painting the whole body of it with the color Chestnut, and it is an apple barrel colored acrylic paint. I'm just going to get the entire body with that color. Next, I'm going to take some black, and I'm going to do both of the eyes. I just use a really thin brush for this. And I'm just following the marks that are already made in the wood. And I did both of them. Once I have those finished, I'm just going to take that same paintbrush with some black paint and outline the mouth. Again, there's kind of already an outline there for it. Once I had both of those done, I am going to do the buttons, and I did those both black as well. I'm just following the outline that was already there. Once I have those both painted, I am going to take the color Light Buttermilk, and I'm going to do this little swoosh of hair up at the top. And then I'm going to do all of the squiggly lines on his arms and his legs with the same color, that I used on the hair. Once I had all of those painted, I am going to start painting the scarf, and for the scarf, I'm going to use the color Deep Burgundy. And I did the entire scarf in this color, including the bottom parts with the little frills on it. And I ended up doing 2 coats of this color on here. Once that was all painted, I'm going to take that same deep burgundy and I'm going to do both of the little rosy cheeks. I just used a small brush to get those cheeks. And again, I did 2 coats on both of those as well. Once I have all of those painted and I'm going to let that fully dry, I'm going to take and put little white dots on each of the buttons to make them look like buttonholes. And as you can see, I kind of got one a little crooked, so I fixed that. Next, I'm going to trace some black on the lines that are in the hair. Once I have those all painted, I am going to take a sponge pouncer, and I pounced it in that same light buttermilk color. And I'm just going to put polka dots all over the scarf. So I'm just using that, dipping it in the paint, and then making little circles throughout the whole scarf. And I just did enough to fill it up. I used the smaller size dauber. And that is it for the dots. Once those fully dried, I'm just going to take some black and outline the bottom half of the scarf that separates it from the 2 parts. Then I'm going to take that same black and the liner brush and just do half circles on each one of the polka dots that I made, just to kind of give them a little more depth. Just do it on either side that you want. Once those were all finished, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to dry brush this around all of the raised pieces on the gingerbread man. So all around the little squigglies, all around the scarf, around the hair. And this doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look perfect. This is just going to kind of give it a little bit more depth. And I'm just doing it around all of them. Again, just dipping my paintbrush in some black paint a little bit and then dabbing it off onto a paper towel so that my brush is almost dry when I'm doing this. Once I finish that and it was all fully dry, I'm going to take my antique wax and I'm going to go over the entire gingerbread. And I just want this so it'll darken right up and look a little bit more primitive. And I just went over everything, right over all of the buttermilk color, all over the scarf, and all over the entire thing. Once I had him fully covered and I let it dry, I'm going to take some white paint of the light buttermilk and I went over the entire thing with a toothbrush and just splattered white paint all over the entire gingerbread. Just making sure that I got a nice dusting on everything to make it look kind of like he was sprinkled with sugar or sprinkled with snow. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute and I absolutely love him. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.